Welcome all of you on my YouTube channel. We have studied Newton's corpuscular theory of light, and we have studied why Newton's corpuscular theory was rejected. Now there is another theory named Huygens wave theory of light. Huygens wave theory of light. Now, as the name suggested, this theory was proposed by Christian Huygens. This theory was proposed by scientist Christian Huygens. Now he made some assumptions in order to explain his theory. According to him, every source of light emit waves. So waves are emitted by a source of light. Newton stated that source emits corpuscle, but here Christian Huygens stated that every source emits waves, and these waves travels in the form of longitudinal waves. So light wave travels in the form of longitudinal waves, and you know that longitudinal wave consist of compression and rarefaction. So light travels in the form of longitudinal wave. Now, for the propagation of longitudinal wave, material medium is required. For the propagation of longitudinal wave, material medium is required. We receive light from sun, and there is large gap, there is empty space between earth and sun. And then how the waves from sun travels to the earth? In order to explain this, he assumed imaginary hypothetical medium named luminiferous ether. This luminiferous ether exists everywhere, and it also exists in vacuum also. So this luminiferous ether is all pervading, that is existing everywhere and in space also. But he failed to explain the existence of this medium. When light waves, that is waves emitted by the source, enters our eye, we get sensation. According to Newton, we get sensation when corpuscle enter our eye, but according to this theory, when light wave enter our eye, we get sensation. And different colors of light are due to different wavelengths. Different colors of light are due to different wavelengths. So these are some assumptions made by Huygens. Now, merits of this theory. merits, that is some successful points explained by this theory. So first merit, that is, according to this theory, velocity of light in rarer medium is greater than velocity of light in denser medium. Velocity of light in rarer medium, विरल माध्यमातील प्रकाशाचा वेग घन माध्यमातील प्रकाशाच्या वेगापेक्षा जास्त असतो. सो दिस इज फर्स्ट मेरिट, गुण. Now second, this theory could explain phenomenon of light such as reflection, refraction, simultaneous reflection and refraction, polarization, interference, diffraction, etc. So these are the 2 points explained successfully on the basis of Huygens wave theory. Now what are demerits? Dosh, that is, this theory could not explain rectilinear propagation of light. Light waves do not travel in a straight line. So he failed to explain rectilinear propagation. प्रकाश सरळ रेषेत जातो हे दाखवण्यास तो असमर्थ ठरला. So this theory, second postulate, that this theory could not explain photoelectric effect, quantum effect, Raman effect, etc. He failed to show existence of luminiferous ether, that is, there is no medium between earth and sun, and he could not show, he failed to explain the existence of medium named luminiferous ether. Although this theory has some merits, and later on this theory was corrected by Maxwell, that we study in the next period.